Well, I'm here in this video to share with you my results that I achieved in 6 months with a very simple strategy that's actually going to cost you no money at all. In my Aweber account, you can see here that I have a little over 21,000 contacts. In my self-hosted account with our breach, I have a little over 30,000 contacts. So when you combine my Aweber account with my Outreach account, I have a little over 50,000 leads that I built over the last 6 months. Now, if you want to learn how to easily build your own rapid email list with a strategy that will cost you no money out of your own pocket, all you need to do is copy the strategy that I'm going to show you in the rest of this video. So here's the simple formula that I used to generate over 50,000 subscribers without spending any money from my own pocket. And when I say that I didn't spend any money from my own pocket, I don't mean that I didn't spend any money, because I spent a ton of money, but I only ever spent money that I earned. So I was basically reinvesting all my profits. So when I said at the beginning that this strategy is free, that's kind of like a half-truth, because you will be spending money, but it won't be any money from your own bank account. It'll be money that you generate from the system. So the simple system that I use is really a 3-step process. And some people could say 4, but I really think of it more as 3. And the first phase is the traffic phase. That's where you're either going to buy pay-per-click traffic if you have money, but if you don't, then there's free traffic from your blog or from social media accounts like YouTube or Facebook. And so you're going to generate this traffic, and then there's the opt-in phase. So instead of going for the immediate sale, we're going to collect email addresses in the middle. So this is where you're building up your list of subscribers, and then you're going to make money off of an instant offer after subscribers opt in, and you're also going to make money off of the follow-up emails from the people that decide to opt in. So the whole system starts with either money or free traffic, and it ends with money. The real secret to accumulating over 50,000 subscribers in about 6 months is really about optimizing and mastering these 3 phases. So for the rest of the video, I'm going to go over each of these phases individually and in more detail so that you can build your own sales funnel. The first phase to optimize is the opt-in page. This is what we're going to be sending traffic to collect leads. From my results, I've found that simple is almost always better when it comes to lead capture page. You really want to give your visitors 2 options. They're either going to subscribe to your squeeze page, or they're going to leave, and there's no options in between. It's not confusing, it's simple, and it's to the point. So here's the main squeeze page that I use to collect the majority of these leads. When it comes to squeeze pages, aside from being simple, you really want to give a proposition of value to your visitors. So you're basically making what's called an ethical bribe. You're making a deal with them where you're saying, hey, I've got something that I think you'd be interested in that's going to positively benefit you, and in return, all I need is your email address so I can send it to you. So that's basically the conceptual underlying concept behind the squeeze page, is that you're giving away something of value for an email address. So I highly recommend when you create your squeeze page, be giving something of value away. And the other point that I would like to make on that is when you do provide your subscribers with value, they're going to be more responsive and you're going to get better marketing results anyways. So it's really a win-win in that you'll get more subscribers and you'll also have more responsive subscribers by giving them value. So the squeeze page that I used is for a free keyword research tutorial where I basically demonstrated a free method that anybody can use to find thousands upon thousands upon thousands of keywords, niche-related keywords, in a matter of minutes. So this was really powerful stuff, and this was really cool value that I was able to give people. And in return for that, my conversion rate was pretty reasonable, pretty decent. I don't have the best converting squeeze page out there by any means, but it's pretty high. I'd say my average for this squeeze page over thousands upon thousands upon thousands of impressions is around 53 to 55% conversion. So that means about half of the people that see this page decide to give me their email address and see what it's all about and decide to opt into my squeeze page. And in this industry, anytime you're around 50% or higher, that's a pretty good rate. Really, you want to just keep optimizing and getting it as high as you possibly can, because the higher it is, the easier it's going to be on you to recoup the money that you're spending on advertising. So you basically have these advertising dollars that you're going to pump into your squeeze page, and you're going to want to recoup that money to be able to continually get new subscribers through your system. The second phase of my list building system is the cash phase. So at this stage in the process, we're trying to maximize the amount of money that we make off of the people that opt into our squeeze page. So in the first phase, you're creating a squeeze page where you're trying to get the most amount of people possible to opt in. Now, after they opt in, what you want to immediately do is give them an instant offer where they can spend money in your favor. You can either do this by having your own product for sale, which takes a little bit more work, or you can promote an affiliate product and just have your subscribers be redirected to your affiliate link. And of course, the other way you can make money off of your subscribers is through your follow-up emails, where you can also have affiliate links and make commissions over time in the follow-up emails. But the ultimate goal from the follow-up emails and from the instant offer that you're going to show your subscribers is to accumulate enough money so that you can use that money to buy more advertising. So I think you guys probably at this point are getting a clearer picture of the intention of the system. Basically, the idea is for every dollar that you put into the system spits out another dollar or another $1.20, or it basically at the very least breaks even on advertising spend, so that you're just constantly re-spending the money that you make, which will allow you to build a bunch of subscribers on autopilot. Now, once you have all these subscribers, it becomes a lot easier to make money, because once you've grown your first 1,000, 2,000 subscribers, you're going to be making daily cash from them in follow-up emails and from affiliate commissions. Here's the instant offer that I show new subscribers when they opt into my squeeze page. So this instant offer is a sales page of a product that I created, and it converts fairly well. So a good portion of the people that subscribe to my email list decide to make a purchase. And if there's only a couple recommendations that I would make, one of them would be that if you're not skilled at designing sales pages like me, I'm definitely not very skilled at designing sales pages. I use Optimize Press because it was really easy for me to sort of plug and play the information, and it formatted it for me in a better aesthetic looking way. The other option is that you can promote an affiliate product. You don't need to have your own product for sale. You can just use your affiliate link so that subscribers are redirected to your affiliate link, and you'll earn affiliate commissions when people make sales. But the one advice that I would like to give you for your instant offer is the price point. I charge $7 for my product, and I know that many marketers are trying to convince you that you should sell products with a higher price tag, because I have to sell a lot of $7 products to be able to equal one $300 product. And I think this is the one exception. This is the one time where you do want to have a cheaply priced product for when people opt in from squeeze page traffic. And the reason for that is because you haven't built a relationship with these subscribers yet. So they're not ready, they're not willing to spend a good portion of their money on you yet because they don't know you. So for higher ticket items, everything has a time and a place. And for higher ticket items, you're going to make a lot better conversions on those items in your follow-up emails, in your follow-up process, because you can build a relationship with people and then you can offer them stuff that's expensive, and because they trust you, they'll be willing to make that commitment. But right off the bat, very few people are going to trust you enough to spend anything more than $15. And I found the best converting price point for instant offers is from around $7 to around $14, $15. I found anything less than that is just too little, and you just could be making more by selling for a higher price tag. And anything more than $15, and your conversions are usually going to be very, very low, especially from solo ad traffic, which I'm going to get to in the next phase of the process. The third phase of the process is pretty fun if you think about it. It's just about taking the money that you earned in phase 2 and then spending it on more traffic. That's it, and that is all. So let's say, for example, that from your free traffic sources, you've managed to earn $40 in affiliate commissions through your instant offers and through your follow-up emails. Well, for $40 in the phase 3 in the cash spending process, you could buy a 100-click solo ad for $40. That's about the average price range. Solo ads are about $35 to $50 for 100-click solo ads. So you buy a 100-click solo ad, and in your squeeze page phase, you're able to get, say, 53 subscribers from that 100-click solo ad. Really, ideally, you'd like to get even more than that. This is kind of like a modest prediction, because most times when you buy a 100-click solo ad, you're going to get more than 100 clicks, because when you buy 100-click solo ads, it's really guaranteed that you're getting at least that many clicks, and many vendors will over-deliver. So if your squeeze page converts at around 50 to 60%, you can get as much as like 60 or even 70 subscribers from buying these solo ads. Now, after these people opt in, then you're going to present them with the instant offer and make sales. So let's say of those 53 subscribers, and this is just an example, of those 53 subscribers, 6 of them decide to buy your $7 cheap low ticket item offer. So from those 6 sales, you make $42. So now that you've completed this process of buying these solo ads and having these visitors go through your sales funnel, now you have $42 that you can spend on another solo ad. So as you can see, this is a process that you can repeat over and over and over again, because the whole idea is to optimize your sales funnel so that for every bit of money that you pump into your sales funnel, and in this example it's $40, you're going to be able to make at least that amount on the other end. And once you make that amount, then you can continue to keep spending that money and generating subscribers and subscribers and subscribers. The ultimate goals of this list building process is really to be able to build an email list for free that you can make money off of. Once you've accumulated enough subscribers and you've gotten over the 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 subscriber mark in your niche, then you can start providing some serious value to these subscribers and make money off of them when you ethically promote products that will help them in whatever niche that you're involved in. I really hope this video has helped you visualize how to properly construct a profitable sales funnel. If there's anything else I can help you with, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll try my best to clear things up. In future videos, I'm going to go over in more details how to perfect this process, because really, if you optimize these 3 phases that I showed in this video, you can virtually build an unlimited email list for free on autopilot.